JVM Academy for Excellence, Araspuram. First of all, let me distribute the flags for you. Congratulations on the Republic Day. So thank you for the sponsors of flag. They tried hard and fast in order to get it. Thank you, Vishnu. Maitrim bhajana agila grijetrim. Maitrim bhajana agila grijetrim. Atmavadeva paranabi pasyana. Atmavadeva paranabi pasyana. Dukkham tyajada spardham tyajada. Yuktam tyajada spardham tyajada. Tyajada parishvakramamakramanam. Maitrim bhajada agila grijetrim. Maitrim bhajada janani prithvi kamadukaste. Janani prithvi kamadukaste. Janako devaha sakala dayalu. Janako devaha sakala dayalu. ஓடி விளையாடு பாப்பா, நீ ஓய்ந்திருக்கலாகாது பாப்பா. ஓடி விளையாடு பாப்பா, நீ ஓய்ந்திருக்கலாகாது பாப்பா. ஓடி விளையாடு பாப்பா, ஒரு குழந்தையை வையாதே பாப்பா. ஓடி விளையாடு பாப்பா, நீ ஓய்ந்திருக்கலாகாது பாப்பா. Super, super.
I'm very happy to talk about the 72nd Republic Day today, and one of the greatest Republic Day I could say, because India has been. So it is one of the biggest day we have to celebrate on this day. It is one of the 72nd Republic Day has been started from the year 1950. You know what is the meaning of? We can see a lot of people has been gathered in the Red Fort and talks about the what are the goals of every year, and the from this day the president will give a talk in Red Fort about the how the nation has been engaging with themselves, and how everything is going in a right way or not. And today I have seen our President Govind has given Dr. Govind has given presidential talk today about importantly about agriculture and also about food security, and he is very proud that today the agriculture farmers have no days for doing their harvesting at the time of pandemic, and they are overcome with a lot of effects. And also he talked about the budget of 2021. Actually the last year budget was totally affected because of the COVID-19, where we have given a certain budget for medicals, but last year due to this pandemic we have most of our budget has been taken to medical departments, and this day this will be managed. And one of the proudest thing is even though we get affected by COVID-19, we are able to overcome with a lot of effort. This is not only because of the government, also by the human resources also. And this is one of the day we have to celebrate. And thank you.
Good.
गुरुदेवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. Honorable Ma'am, ladies and gentlemen present here. First of all, a happy Republic Day to all the people of audience. Republic Day, 26 Jan 1950, to commemorate the Indian Constitution replacing by the Government of Indian Act. We got independence on August 15, 1947. British conquered India from 1858 to 1947. Many of things happened in those days. East India Company was established. The main thing to establish East India Company was for trading. But at last it ended up in conquering India by Britishers. Are we really living in a freedom country? One. But women have no safety measures in this nation. ஒளியற்ற பொருள் ஜலித்ததே இல்லை, இருள் என்பது புரிந்ததே இல்லை. So wake up, girls. Next, farmers. How many of us thought of farmers while having food? Are they really happy in this nation? They are the main people who is pushed to poverty. Bharadiyar said that தனி மனிதனுக்கு உணவே இல்லையெனில் ஜகத்தினை அழித்திடுவோம். Next comes education. We have more what we call caste problems in education. Like we have more subcaste like OC. We have to get 200 of 200 to go for a good college. Comes like that. So we have to eradicate this in education system. Not only in education system, in each and every part we have to eradicate this caste problem. I conclude my speech by saying that பல வேடிக்கை மனிதர்கள் போல் நான் வீழ்வேன் என்று நினைத்தாயோ. So fall down, get up stronger. I hope in future we'll have a freedom life. Thank you. Have a good day.
Great.
असतोमा सद्गमे तमसोमा ज्योतिर्गमे मृत्योर्मा अमृतम. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Good.
Jai Hind.
All of us will keep our hands blessed.
India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are my brothers and sisters.
All Indians are my brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
National anthem.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा. विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा. तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे. चाहे तब जय